Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crystal and we are currently renovating our home. And in today's video, I wanted to give you a little kitchen update for that. I had asked you guys on my community tab if you wanted to see a kitchen update or an under the sink organization, and the kitchen update won by a ton. So that's what we're gonna do today in this video. We, spoiler alert, we have a functioning kitchen. So our stove is working, our sink is working, our dishwasher is working. There are a few little things that we need to still do, but let me show you where we're at. And then in a couple weeks, once we get everything done, I will do like a huge kitchen reveal video. So it's not perfect yet. I mean, we have messes everywhere, so remember that. So I think in the last video our island was facing the other way, so going lengthwise there. When I designed this kitchen, I originally designed it to look like this, but this is how it got set up, and then without the fridge there, it just looked so funny. And so I had them switch it, and I liked the way that looked. But then once we got the fridge in, I thought like from the front door, all you could see when you walked in was this big old fridge. And so I thought, let's try and move the island the other way and see if it kind of covers that up. And as you can see from over here, it kind of does. Obviously you can still see it's a kitchen. You can obviously still see we have a mess over there. But I really like the way that this turned out, and also opened up a lot more space here for our kitchen table. It's already gonna be kind of a tight little squeeze there. I can't find a table that's gonna fit, so we're gonna have to build one. So stay tuned for that. But let's just start over here. So we have the fridge in, and all of our hardware is on. Isn't it beautiful? It's called Honey Bronze. It's just stunning. I'll link it in the description box if you guys want to check it out. But I just love these handles. They're so pretty. And then our stove. So I've said this before, we have done this kitchen remodel on a very small budget. I will reveal those numbers soon, but this is kind of one way how we saved a little bit of money. So we got our fridge. There's a local place that sells like a little bit damaged appliances, and this is a $3,000 fridge, and we got it for $1,400. And because of this little dent right there, and you can hardly, unless you're looking for it, you don't even notice that it's there. So we did save quite a bit there. We also, this stove we got on Facebook Marketplace. The one we had before was fine. I just wanted all of the controls to be here so that this back there was open. So we got that on Marketplace for 150 bucks. It was in perfect condition. It was in a like a vacation type home, so it's used very little, literally in perfect condition. So then I've kind of started styling my shelves up here. I haven't gotten all the way done. We got the lights in. As you can see, they're very pretty. Let me shut off the light so you can see without that. There are already a few things that I'm wishing I had done a little different, but it's okay. I'm not even gonna complain about it. We painted the window, which looks so much better. Our sink is in. Our faucet is another like champagne gold color. We did buy a brand new dishwasher. That was the matching one to the fridge, which I'm happy with. Dishwashers, I didn't realize they were expensive, but they can be rather expensive. Anyway, so we got all the top is done. We are gonna seal it one more time. This is a oak butcher block, and you guys, I know I've talked to you about it before, but I am so glad that we did it. and not have done quartz throughout the whole thing, because it would have felt like, I'm already feeling like it's too white anyway. So I'm glad that we did not do that. The quartz here, again, a piece that we got off Facebook Marketplace for $150. Can you even believe that? We do need to do some work. We need to have the sides here, I think it's called, like, I don't know. We need to have it sanded and polished, and then it'll be good to go. Oh, sorry, Zaylee. And then we did paint our island. It's called Piece of Cake. It's like a very, very light gray. I don't know if you can even tell. Let me see. You can kind of see it there, that it's a little bit different than the cabinets, which I love. Actually, I told Erin last night, I'm like, maybe we should have done them all gray, but it's fine. And then the cabinets are simply white. So it's coming along. It's starting to look so good. I'm excited. I've been able to cook in here, and we just have a few more things to do left. We need to add this side panel to the side over there. We need to caulk and like tweak the outlets, because it is a brick backsplash that we painted, and so it's not level. You can see it has lots of texture, which I love. I wanted that, so we need to adjust a little bit those. What else do we need to do? We also need to put like the toe kicks on all of underneath the cabinets, and paint this one door that Erin mistaken for another door. So it's coming along. We still have to obviously sheetrock that. We have a new front door, and this is where that other half wall is going to be, right here, to kind of like make this, so it kind of like just breaks it up a little bit, and it will match. Let me turn around here. It will match this wall right here. I ordered a new couch, which should be here in a couple weeks, so hopefully I can get that all put together and share that with you. I'm also debating on this right here, if I want to do like a half wall that has board and batten on it like this, like instead of a railing, or if I want to do an open railing. So if you have any suggestions, let me know. I'm kind of leaning of filling this all in and doing it all like a half wall instead, just because I need this space to feel more defined, I think. And yeah, so anyway, we got to still sheetrock that over there. And then we are going, if you can see over there, we are going to re-brick the fireplace and board and batten all of this. And then I think we're done. We do need to add lights still. My beautiful, right there, light that I wanted is just way too big. Our ceilings are not that tall, and it's just too big. So I need to find a new dining room light, get our pendants hung, and then find another light for in there. As you can see, we put a bunch of can lights in, which changes everything. They look so much better. You guys, my camera died, so I'm sorry about that. But before I end this video, I wanted to share a couple little things that I'm really excited about for fall. Yes, I'm already thinking about it. I'm already so excited about it. And I will have spaces to decorate this year, since I didn't do any fall decorating last year. The first thing, I showed a picture of this in my community tab, and I wanted to tell you guys where I got everything, because they are so good. One of them definitely you can get, and it's this blanket. It's from the new collection at Studio McGee. I will link all my pics in the description box, but this blanket was $30, and it feels like $1,000,000. It is, the quality is unreal for a $30 blanket. I can't believe it. I ordered another one. Don't judge. Not the same one, but more of a chunkier knit one. But so pretty for fall, and I love the camel color. And I just, everybody needs this blanket. It's so good. They have different colors too. They have like a cream and I think a green. So depending on what your style is for fall, you could get one of these to add to your collection. And then this, how beautiful. I mean, look how big this is. This is like half of my body. It is so pretty. It's like a French basket. Now, I don't know if this will be available, but I got this from my friend. I talk about her all the time on here, you guys. The only way to get her stuff is either you can email me and I can arrange something, or you can direct message her on Instagram and tell her that you saw it on here and you want it, and she'll ship it to you. But she has this basket, so it's kind of similar to the basket I showed in the last video, except for this one is much bigger. And I think I'm going to actually put this on my new front door. How cute. But these things still to show. These are little fall, just a little pick like this. I don't even know what I think they're called hops, but I have a couple of them in this basket. I would love to fill the basket up, but that would be like $1 million. But how cute is that? I just like it. I could put something else back there too, but honestly, I just think this is so darling. I got a couple more of these hops coming because I want to put some up here on my little hood vent thing. So anyway, I hope you guys are excited for fall, because I've got my wheels just to spinning as fast as they can about fall decor. I'm actually gonna go to Hobby Lobby and see if they have anything new this year. I don't know if they will, but we'll see. Maybe I'll take you along. If I do, watch out, you'll see the video. But if they don't have anything great, then I probably won't. So it'll just depend. But anyway, you can look forward to decorating this kitchen with me and these shelves. And I have lots of fun organization videos coming for my kitchen cabinets. I've been working really hard on trying to declutter, minimize, only keep the things that we use. And of course, it has to be functional, but it has to be pretty too. So I'm accomplishing that rather easily, I think, and I'd love to share that with you. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in my next video. See ya.